right, we are here with Terrence of Team Sop N Wet, and he's gonna give us a tour of the bus.
All right, so this here is a genuine, for real school bus. This baby in 1999 hauled kids to school, and when it dropped them off, I was there and I said, this bus is perfect for what I want. Can I buy it? And the bus driver said, let me call the guy, and he says, yep, it's yours if you want it. And I bought the bus. 1999, that's what I bought it. So it's a diesel must-have on RAGBRAI. If you have them gas engines, those are the guys you see on the side of the road, the hood's up, all that kind of stuff. No good. No good. You need diesel. You need power. Okay. So you got to start off with painting the bus. Hired a bunch of high school kids in the shop class. And I said, hey guys, you want a job? They're like, yeah. You had auto body class? They said, yeah, we got an auto body class. I said, all right. How about you guys all? I'll pay you all $100 a piece. Come over to my shop, and we're all gonna give you sandpaper, and you're gonna sand all the yellow paint off the bus, and then we're gonna paint it black together. And so they did. So I had a whole high school team of high school kids out of Hampton, Iowa, painted this bus, and worked out pretty good. So started by coming on down here, you know, putting stickers on stuff that's ripped, pain in the butt. So we just put a feature sign and then put it on flat. It was easy. All right. Put new tires on this baby because you don't want bad tires on RAGBRAI.
These are ag tires, I tell you what.
Yeah,
y'all are doing a tractor pull.
Yeah, you don't
want all
want
that meat.
because you know some of these places they poorly, and them parking lots got a little wet, a little moist. We don't like that word, but anyway, those will get you out of the hole. So all right, come on back inside. Come on board. They give us all the laundry detergent, wash all our clothes, everything when we're on the route. So now we come back here. We got this high horsepower generator. That thing only runs when we're really hot out and turn the air conditioner on inside. But this year has been a really nice RAGBRAI. We haven't had to use it at all, so it's pretty nice. But we got a 100-foot drop cord must-have. That plugs into the bus, and that turns on the inverters inside. It keeps the batteries charged and our cell phones going all week. Okay. Come around here. You know, this is no beachfront deck, but this baby right here will hold anybody you stand on it. It gets you up to the ladder, up to the wreck. So that's built for 40 bikes up there. So we got 8 rows of bikes up there. So anyway, 40 bikes up there. That rack I built by myself with with this cut and welder, call it, and we got her done. So
nice.
Come on back around outside. Tint the windows, have to, keeps the sun out, keeps it cool inside. This bus came from Minnesota, so it's insulated.
You got a lot of rust in there on the bottom?
No, it's not.
Oh man.
I don't know why. You got a little bit, but you know, it ain't bad. Batteries in here. Brand new front tires. Look at them. Them suckers are nice, deep.
Oh, I just got
Must
new ones
have.
on the way up here too.
Yeah, you gotta
Must
have new tires, because you blow a steer tire with a load of people on board, you're gonna lose your inheritance and everything, because they're gonna sue the hell out of you. So anyway, that's about it here. So up top there, you look up there, we got the air conditioner, we got the wing. We took that off of an old semi at a grain semi. Guy was hauling corn and beans, and he says, I'm getting rid of my semi, take the junk, you guys want this wing? I said, you bet, take it. And we put it up there. It works good. So got speakers all the way around. 4 speakers on 4 corners outside, and we got speakers on the inside. So we're partying outside. The only thing we need is an awning. We're gonna put that on this year. But this is 11 RAGBRAIs it's been on.
You must store this thing inside.
In a barn. In an old barn. It's covered in bird poop, but we wash it up every year.
It's better in the rain, so not in the rain.
It sits inside every year.
Nice.
So then, we added them luggage compartments on, and then on the other side we added 2 more.
Better built.
Yeah,
I need some of these.
Better built better. I'll show you why.
What's it running for a box?
So these we put 2 over here, and we cut them. We cut the luggage compartments and made them twice as deep, but added that piece on.
Nice.
Because this is all they are when you buy them.
Yeah.
We wanted them deeper, so we did that all the way around, so we can haul all the tents and all that kind of stuff that bounces around your bus and pain in the butt. You can put a body in there too if somebody dies. Get them home. But come on inside.
Thomas built. Our bus is also a Thomas built.
Yeah,
it's the good stuff.
Thomas built some of the best ones ever.
So you got 11 RAGBRAIs under your belt.
Yeah, they're all there. Only one's missing is 2020. So right there. So here's the inside. So everything we made it so we got a couple booths in here, one there, and there's a booth back there for just both, you know, hanging out. But we got inverters that runs off a battery, isolated battery that charges all your phones up here. Every cord you can think of, iPhone to track phone to flip phone, Blackberries and everything. So so then we got a pole there for, we call that for stretching in the morning.
This is stretching pole.
Yeah, for stretching.
Okay.
PG-13 stretching.
With your own like private booth, you got a curtain here, right?
Yeah, we got a curtain.
It becomes VIP.
You got your lap dance. I mean, your stretching lap dances going on there.
Stretching dances.
That's it. So then the rest of it's pretty much that's it. We this, like I said, this insulated baby, so it's got 2.5 inches of insulation up here in the ceiling on the wall, so it stays cool.
Nice.
In the summer, and we got the air conditioner going and stuff, so it stays really nice and cool in here. Only a couple people sleep in here, but we all set up tents normally. Totes sit in the back, and our helmets go right there by your left foot. Helmet storage goes down here.
I can see some light here. How do you keep them getting wet in here?
Yeah, a little. Yeah, that's okay. And the helmets all go underneath.
Oh, that's custom there, huh?
Yeah, so the helmets, we built this, you know, so that way that's all storage racks, and then these all open up, and this is all storage, you know, these are all helmets. And then,
Nice.
And then down in here is all the beer and all the liquids, all these cases of non-alcoholic Busch Light and White Claw.
Fair enough. You put all the totes in the back.
Yeah,
Everybody's got
totes
their
go
totes.
in the back.
How many people you got on the team?
40.
40
people.
Right on.
Yep, every rider gets their own tote. It's 18 gallons max. That's all you can have, and all your stuff goes in that. Besides your tent.
Which goes under there. These are nice. I like this.
Yeah. And there's some underneath too that blew it up at night so you can find the bus.
Yeah. Very cool.
That's it.
Well, I appreciate you showing me the bus, man.
Yeah, man.
High five.
No problem, bud.
Thanks.
Thanks.